Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a 7 days damage skin repair remedy that will help you to equally close your open pores. You know that when you have a pores that is actually open, it's going to attract dust and oil, and with that your skin is not going to be looking flawless because there will be some white heads and some black heads here and there, okay, and it will result to your skin looking really rough and sometimes wrinkles, okay. So this homemade remedy is going to help you to repair your skin, but of course you have to be consistent in it, okay. So if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's go. For a skin repair remedy, we're going to be needing sandalwood powder. Now sandalwood powder is great for the skin because it helps to remove dead skin cells. It helps to exfoliate the skin, making the skin really soft and supple. It also helps to retain moisture, and it removes dark patches. So I'm going to be taking half tablespoon of sandalwood powder into the bowl, and then we're going to be needing Fuller's Earth clay powder. Now this is a great absorbing property that works wonders in absorbing excessive oil on the skin. It goes deep into the skin to tighten up or loose a saggy skin, and it also repairs a large and open pores. It therefore leaves your skin youthful by removing dark spots and blemishes. We're also going to be using same quantity for the Fuller's Earth clay powder, which is half tablespoon of Fuller's Earth clay powder. So now we're going to be mixing the dry ingredient at first. Then we're going to be making use of rose water as well as glycerin. Now rose water and glycerin helps in reducing the redness of irritated skin. It also helps to calm the skin, and it removes blemishes and wrinkles as well as dark spots. So in this one, we're going to be taking about 1 tablespoon of this to liquidify this clay. That is not going to be enough. We're going to be taking more to make it up to 2 tablespoons. And this is how it looks like. And then also we're going to be making use of tea tree essential oil. It is 100% pure tea tree oil. If you don't have tea tree oil, you can use lemon essential oil or lavender oil. Now this is going to help so much to purify the skin, and it's going to give the ingredient a scent. So we're going to be dropping about 2 drops in that. Now we would have to be turning it. Stir it all up really well, and the treatment is super duper ready. And here it is. Okay guys, so for this you can use it twice in a week, and you are going to be loving it guys. So let's go apply this onto the face. Okay guys, so here we have the remedy, and this is how it looks like. Really pleasant in the eyes, and you can either use your bare hands to apply this, or you can use a brush, and it smells good. Although sometimes I really do not like the smell of sandalwood, but this time I kind of like it. Okay, so if you have a damaged skin or pimples just like mine or dark spots, yeah, you have to apply this onto that area. Make sure to apply and cover up all of areas in which you're having troubles on your skin. Okay, so now you have to make sure that your treatment, the consistency of your treatment is friendly enough for you to just apply on your face, okay? And yeah, so for this ingredient you can actually decide to scrub it or you don't scrub it, okay? Okay guys, so after you've applied this, you would have to leave it for it to dry. Give it a generous application and leave this for it to dry, and when it dries it's going to close up all of those open pores. It's going to remove your dark spots. Well, when it comes to dark spots, it will have to fade off the dark spots, okay? So invariably, therefore means that you have to apply it more than once, twice, or 4 times. Yeah, like if you're using it for dark spots, you have to use it approximately 2 weeks, every day, straight. It's going to get removal of your dark spots. And if you want to scrub this, you only have to scrub it on the affected areas where you have problems. Like for me, I have problems here, and this is actually very smooth. So I have problems. Those are my problem areas, and equally my nose and my forehead. Yeah, it's already drying off. After doing this, then you just allow it. It's gonna dry. It's already drying up on my skin. So after this, you go wash it off. You repeat this as often as you can, and you're gonna see the results. Well, home remedies work, but you have to be consistent, okay? That's it. I'm gonna leave mine for it to dry and I'll wash it off because I literally just love the smell. So that's it guys. Apply this just like I've said in the video, and you are gonna be loving it, okay? It's gonna help you so much, or equally to remove dark spots, yeah? And that's it. I'll see you soon in my next video. I hope you did enjoy the video. Please thumbs up and subscribe, and bye guys.